telophase follows anaphase in mitosis. And in telophase, the separated sister chromatids, which are individual chromosomes, they move even further to each side of the cell. And now that they're there, the spindle, it's done its job. The centrioles have done their job. They start to move out of the picture, so they start to go away. What we're left with are two individual chromatids on each side of the cell. Notice that these two, they are identical, as are these. This is telophase. Immediately following telophase, which is, I'm going to roll right into it, is not technically part of mitosis. It's not a stage, but it is something that happens during telophase, is cytokinesis. So cytokinesis kind of happens at the same time as telophase. Cytokinesis is where the cytoplasm in this space here, it starts to get pinched. The cell starts to move inwards. And it's going to continue to do so until we have this happening. And at this point, this one cell has gotten pinched in the middle, and we now have two separate cells. These two cells, they are identical to one another, and now these two cells are ready for the G1 stage of prophase. And once they get there, these two chromosomes, they loosen, they go back to DNA, as do these ones. And this is the end of mitosis and the cell cycle.